Hi students, today we are going to start chapter number 9 for corridors. In this chapter we will explore corridor modeling in Civil 3D. The corridor object is a three-dimensional model that combines the horizontal geometry of an alignment, the vertical geometry of a profile, and the cross-sectional geometry of an assembly. Corridors range from extremely simple roads to complicated highways and interchanges, but they are not limited to just road travelways. Corridor can be used to model many linear design. So in this chapter we will focus on building several simple corridors that can be used to model and design roads, channels, and trenches. We will learn how to build a single baseline corridor from an alignment, profile, and assembly. We will also use target to add lane widening, and then we will create a corridor surface and how to add an automatic boundary to a corridor surface. In its simplest form, a corridor combines an alignment, a profile, and an assembly. We can also build corridor with complex combination of alignments, as we have one alignment, then we have profiles, and then we have also assemblies to make complicated intersections and also branching streams. The horizontal properties of the alignment, the vertical properties of the profile, and the cross-sectional properties of the assembly are merged to form a dynamic model that can be used to build surfaces, sample cross-sections, generate quantities, and much more. Most commonly, corridors are used to model roads, but they can also be adopted to model berms, streams, trails, and even parking lot. So stay tuned with us for more advanced videos related to corridor.